Hey friends, it's Nicole. Welcome back to my channel. Today I thought I would do a plan with me in my Hobonichi Weeks. I just started using this planner like a month ago, and I use it for social media just to kind of stay on track and do a little bit better about posting on pictures and things like that. And it's really been helping me. I've been using it for about 4 weeks now, and I'll just kind of like in the little boxes in the kits I'll write down things that I want to post, and then I will move them over as I do post them, so then I kind of have an idea of what I've done and what I haven't done and what maybe can be posted the following week. So this is this week, and I thought I would just do a really quick plan with me using the kit from Sweet Kawaii Design, and this one is the Aquarium Kit, which is adorable. This pink washi at the bottom is so pretty. I also grabbed, this was one of the Freebie Friday like sharks, and these were the stickers that were inside, and this is the washi that matches. And then I also just kind of grabbed a few other washies that I had in my stash. I know these two are Sweet Kawaii Design washi that you can, that you used to be able to get at Michael's. I don't know if it's still there. So thanks for joining me, guys. Hope everybody's doing well. And let's get planning. Been in the last month using this box here, but I want to be more intentional, I guess would be a good word, also about filming my planner setups. So I thought that I could use this big box and go ahead and put on the days that I want to film videos. And then what I like to do is take these, and one I'll label Facebook and the other one I will label Instagram, or I'll just stick the icon stickers from the shop on there. Like I think I did that here. Yeah, so those were a different sort of checklist, but and then I'll just check off every day as a habit tracker that I posted. It's so cute. So I'm thinking this week if I want to use just these boxes like I'd been doing, or if I actually wanted to use the checklist. I think what I'll do is I'll go ahead and I will put the checklist down, and then depending on how many times I post that day, which I know I won't post 4 times, but it could be like 1, 2, 3 times and maybe a story or something. Basically, the checklists just look really cute, so I'm going to use them. And then what I'm going to do is take these boxes, and I'm just going to kind of like lay them in here, and there's more boxes than will actually fit. But then I will go back and I will label some of them before the pen, after the pen, maybe my reading planner. Just that way I have ideas and options of things that I might want to post, and then I'll peel them off and bring them to the weekly side of the page. I think I'm going to take this off because it's just a lot. Oh my goodness, look what I just found. Okay guys, that's it for this plan with me. I know it looks like really super busy and stuff, but it's just a fun way for me to stay on track, and I thought you guys just might enjoy if I did a plan with me. So I hope everyone has a wonderful week, and I will talk to you later.